In this video, I want to share with you 5 things you should never do to please any woman. If you do, you'll easily give your power and control away as the leader of the relationship and will be perceived as a weak and insecure man. Before I go into the points, you can drop a comment in the comment section if you agree or disagree with any point explained in this video. You can also share your personal experience or the experiences of others you know in the comments. Now let's go deep into it. These are the 5 things you should never do to please any woman. Number 1. Doing a fancy date for the first time. Guys, if you've just met a girl you are trying to know, do not take her out to a fancy restaurant on the first date. This makes you look like you are trying too hard to impress her or create a good first impression. You look like a try hard in her eyes. It makes you look like you are trying to please her badly. So do not do expensive dates or fancy restaurants for the first time. The reason you should be seeing a girl for the first time is to observe her to know if you can even like her, to study her to know if she can fit into your life. So she should be the one trying to please you. You can take her to do other fun stuff, like go bowling or relax in any calm environment where you can just meet her and spend some time with her. If she insists on somewhere expensive, then it's a red flag. Let her go as quick as you can. She is not into you. It's obvious that she doesn't even care about knowing you. This is not a girl you should deal with. If a girl is not interested in spending time with you anywhere, she is not into you. You have to let her go now. Number 2, do not compromise your standards. Women are always out there seeking high-value men. This makes them test every guy they come in contact with subconsciously to know if he is a high-value man. This is why you should never compromise on your standards. When a girl pulls back, what an average guy out there does is to chase her more. Ask her why she is pulling back. Buy her gifts every day. And this results in her losing interest more. You should not be this kind of guy. Have standards and maintain your standards, regardless of her games and shit tests. If a girl pulls back from you, you don't go begging. From that moment, you have to remove all your attention from her. Maintain your standard. Also, never send a woman multiple messages at once. It makes you low value. Instead of chasing a girl, that can leave you any day. If she sees a better option, why not spend your time building yourself and increasing your value as a man? Then watch her try to crawl back into your life, seeing that you are leveling up or becoming more high value, no matter what you do or the circumstances you find yourself in. Never compromise your standards for any woman. Number 3, do not accept the friend zone. Most guys out there have proven to be very thirsty and hungry for girls. They are very needy and give out their attention for free. These are the kind of guys women make their friends. And the funny thing about these guys is that they really wanted this girl, but they don't have the courage to talk to her, or not high value enough to be considered for dating. So they accept being friends, so he can be in the good books of the girl, hoping that one day she gives him a chance or suggests sleeping with him. Don't be such a loser. All guys that are friends with girls will happily sleep with her if she gives them the chance. Don't become her friend, hoping that one day she will consider you and give you some booty. Don't be such a loser. If a girl does not respect you enough, or is not attracted to you enough to have a romantic relationship with you, will withdraw all your attention and leave. Do not accept being her friend. Don't be a loser. Number 4. Accept her for who she is. Guys, do not accept any woman for who she is, because if the table were turned, women would do the same. The dating market is getting tougher every single day, and women will not consider you if you are not doing well for yourself, or if she sees a better option. Women have never been fair with their choices. All they care about is a man that has it all. They are always picking the best among the options they have. So why would you accept a girl for who she is? Only men who do not have options settle for any kind of woman. That's why you need to constantly work on improving yourself, to be a high-value man, so you'll attract more quality girls that has more to offer. Women don't date men for who they are. Women date men based on the value they can get from a guy. So you too have to do the same. A girl should be high value and have a lot to offer before you settle for her. Number 5. Giving her a relationship or marriage because she asked for it. Women love men who are a challenge and mysterious. Once that mystery is broken, you are no longer a challenge or fun to them, and they will begin to lose attraction for you. One of the challenge women love in men is not knowing where they stand in a man's life, not knowing if they are good enough for the man. This uncertainty keeps them loyal till it makes them chase the man's attention and validation. This is so attractive to women because women love to chase. They don't like it when a man sees them as perfect. They want a guy that will look at them like they are not good enough. These are the kind of men women chase because they don't know where they stand in his life. He becomes mysterious. While all these are going on, most women will ask you to commit to them. Most women will blackmail you emotionally and will manipulate you with everything possible. Do not fall for it. Once you give her a relationship, it breaks all mystery. You've given her certainty, so there is nothing to chase anymore. If you want her interest level to remain high, do not give any woman relationship because she asks for it. You will put an end to her chase, an emotional roller coaster, and she will be really disappointed and hate you for that in the long run. She will see you as a weak man, a man with no balls that couldn't stand his ground. These are the things you should never do to please any woman. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment. See you in our next video.